I'm Dwayne Martin. This is my first time at Heartland Lodge, Pike County, Illinois. And I shot this deer yesterday evening. He came out in front of me about 60 yards and came up to about 35 yards, and I had put in a drag line, and so he came up to that and lip curled and walked in about 35 yards, and I was able to stop him and get a good shot on him. And from there is when he took off, and I knew I had made a really good shot on him because he got hung up in a barbed wire fence, and he managed to get out and run into the timber. So